think about how you deal with stress. Make a note of your stress reduction strategies on a piece of paper. Then, based on the information you find in this module, compare your strategies with our suggestions and try to implement the new strategies in your life. The more strategies you have, the more flexible you will be in responding to stress. Every stressful situation requires different methods of coping with increasing stress, so there is no single effective method. Something that is effective in your professional life may not work at all in your private life. A strategy that helps you may not be effective for someone else. The benefit of a stress management strategy can only be measured by its effects. If there is a reduction in stress levels, it means that the strategy is working. You can reduce the number of stressors by excluding or reducing some of them. Coping effectively with stressors means changing the circumstances that cause stress, for example, rejecting unfair criticism or delegating work. Under stress, we often make the same mistakes. When we are stressed, we reach for the same behavior patterns, not necessarily the ones that work for us. This is normal. Only constant practice in specific situations will eventually bring results in the long run. Measures aimed at long-term stress reduction are particularly effective when we want and can change, remove or reduce the causes of the burden, or the stressor is predictable and we can prepare for it. Activities aimed at short-term relaxation can help us to alleviate the effects of stress reactions that have already occurred and eliminate peak stress moments. They are justified when we are unwilling or unable to change the cause of the burden, we are in a chronic stress situation and want to regain mental clarity, we perceive that our stress level is very high and we would like to reduce it, or we would like to avoid a process of stress escalation. The principle of calm and serenity is very important here. A problem is a situation that is important to us and, at the same time, seems difficult to deal with, which makes us anxious. At the same time, if a situation seems unimportant to us, and we have the idea that we can easily deal with it, we are calm. In order to manage stress well, it is important to incorporate short-term and long-term strategies into your life in order to become more calm and serene, to believe in yourself and your capabilities, and to take responsibility for your actions, which means to strengthen your agency. It is also important to remember to build a work-life balance.